Welcome to my channel Proper Watches. If you are looking for the best new Victorinox watches based on specifications, you are in the right place. I included all the link in video description below. Now, let's get started. Number 7. Victorinox Field 4 Sport GMT. Stainless steel case with a orange rubber strap. Fixed gunmetal PVD bezel with a black ring. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 3 o'clock position. Quartz movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size 42 mm. Case thickness 11 mm. Bandwidth 21 mm. Tang clasp. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions date, hour, minute, second. Great price, incredibly affordable, and just love this brand. Number 6. Victorinox Field Force. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel with an inlaid black ring showing tachymeter markings. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 6 o'clock position. Chronograph 3 subdials displaying 60-second, 30-minute, and 12-hour. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Pull/push crown. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size 42 mm. Case thickness 12 mm. Bandwidth 21 mm. Butterfly clasp. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions: chronograph, tachymeter, date, hour, minute, second. Number 5. Victorinox Swiss Army INOX. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. ETA caliber 2824 2 automatic movement. Power reserve of approximately 38 hours. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Screw down crown. Transparent case back. Round case shape. Case size 43 mm. Case thickness 13.5 mm. Bandwidth 21 mm. Fold over clasp with a safety release. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions date, hour, minute, second, slide rule. Highly durable and robust timepiece. Known for its exceptional strength and resilience. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army Night Vision. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 6 o'clock position. Locator light. Quartz movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Screw down crown. Solid case back. Case diameter 42 mm. Round case shape. Bandwidth 21 mm. Band length 7.75 inches. Deployment clasp. Water resistant at 50 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Alpinist great piece, incredibly affordable. And just love this brand. Number 3. Victorinox INOX. Carbon Limited Edition. Neon yellow textile strap. Fixed bezel. Black dial with Arabic numeral, hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display between 4 and 5 o'clock position. Quartz movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Round case shape. Case size 43 mm. Bandwidth 21 mm. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions date, hour, minute, second. This particular model showcases a distinctive carbon fiber construction that adds a unique touch to the rugged and durable design of the INOX collection. Number 2. Victorinox INOX. Professional Diverla. Gray titanium case with a gray rubber strap. Unidirectional rotating gray titanium bezel. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display between the 4 and 5 o'clock positions. Ronda caliber 715 quartz movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Screw down crown. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size, 45 mm. Case thickness, 14.5 mm. Bandwidth, 22 mm. Tang clasp. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, hour, minute, second, battery EL indicator. This timepiece combines the ruggedness and durability of the INOX collection with the features and specifications required for diving in demanding underwater environments. Number 1. Victorinox Maverick Chronograph. Stainless steel case and bracelet. Unidirectional rotating black PVD bezel. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands. Date display at the 6 o'clock position. Chronograph 3 subdials displaying 60-second, 30-minute, and 12-hour. Ronda caliber 5030. D quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size 43 mm. Case thickness 12 mm. Bandwidth 22 mm. Fold-over clasp. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions, chronograph, date, hour, minute, small second. Designed to embody a sporty and adventurous spirit while maintaining a stylish and versatile appearance.